หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA สเต็มมา
Hi,
STEMMA
this is week 2 science experiment of shooting the rocket with the straw. So we will need some straws. You can cut some short and keep some long like this. We will also need some tape and colouring pencils and cut out the shape of a rocket. Now, we can draw a rocket or we can print one off. You can colour it however you like using the colouring pencils. And then we're going to take the short straw, fold the end like this and close it with the tape. Okay? Then we are going to tape these two rocket shapes on either side of this short straw. So it will look like this. This is what we have. Now, the longer straw should fit inside the shorter straw like this. So now we can put it right on the end like this and blow. And we can shoot the rocket just by blowing. So let's try that again. Into cup. Oh, missed. Okay, maybe you can get it. Bye.